welcome back to my YouTube channel, Emily, or mamiGO, or mamiGO, or whatever you wanna call me. Hari ini kita mau apa ya?
911, what is your emergency?
Kita mau review produk lagi. As I promised you on my previous video that I'm going to review magnetic eyelashes. So it was, well, the one that I had before, it was the both magnetic eyelashes, and this one we're gonna review the eyeliner eyelashes. It also magnetic eyelashes, so let's review it. Here it is. Ini magnetic eyelashes seperti ini. It's Doha. It's quite big, but I would just want to know the difference with the previous one, because the previous one was the natural one. So I would like to try something different and see how it goes. Jadi the package comes with tweezer, the eyeliner, wow, it's quite huge. As you can see, aku nggak pakai eyeliner, cuman pakai mascara aja. But I just want to know the difference. That's why I don't want to apply eyeliner. So the thing is, I'm kind of like agak-agak ragu ya. How come an eyeliner can hold eyelashes? So I want also to test the strength with my gun. You know what it is, right? Okay, saatnya kita mulai. Pertama-tama, you have to apply the eyeliner. So this is how it looks like. It's quite thick. Yang normal aja, nggak usah yang lebay. Gimana emang eyeliner yang lebay? Aduh. Ini the reason is we wanna see the difference because I think, because I went to a wedding last week and I wear the eyelashes and it lasts whole day. Like, I mean, I didn't feel like it was heavy or it was too itchy on my eyes because I don't have any glue on it. So it was perfect. And this time, I want to try this one, and you have to wait until it's dry. You have to wait because you don't want the eyelashes sticking on the eyeliner. So you have to wait until it's really dry. I'm just making a simple eyeliner like I never done before. Jadi tunggu sampai kering, mungkin agak lama ya. It takes about like I would say 5 minutes to make sure it's dry. It's dry. It's dry enough for the eyelashes. Mari kita coba, karena ini benar-benar, this is huge. Like, I mean, for the size of my eyes, it is huge. Tapi let's try. So I would recommend this for like party, because if you use this for like normal daily life, you will look like I'm not sure what do you call that, but everyone will think you're a bit too much. Okay, so the eyelashes itself, it's quite strong. it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 magnets, when the one that I had before, it was okay. It's sticking. Okay, it means it hasn't dried yet. So stop talking. Okay. When the one that I reviewed before, it only has 3 magnets, so I hope this will be stronger than that one, the twister, if you want. But I just easier with my hand. I want to see, because you want to be handy in case you want to wear them like in a rush. So I want to see if it's okay. Wow. Oh, seperti bulu mata burung
Khatulistiwa.
Oh, okay. Easy to take it off and put it back on. Oh my god. OMG. Okay, that's how it looks like, the first one. Let's try the other one. Jadi nah, tergantung if you buy that online. This is what happens when you buy something online, because you never know how big they are, how they look like, how thick they are. So this one is quite thick, quite long. So yeah, don't. Tapi kita cuma mau nyoba ya, kita cuma mau trial this one because I want to see the difference with the previous one. So easy because you just kind of like just put it like this. Okay. Ooh lala. Bagaimana menurut Anda? Sudah bisa menyapu lantai rumah Anda atau belum? Coba dilihat manja. Wow, it's quite thick and I look so I don't know what you call that, but I actually like it, but it's still comfortable. Like you it's glue. Apparently it's a glue, magnetic glue, but it's okay, but we have to test them with my gun. So this is how it looks like. Let's test this eyelashes. Udah tahu kan bagaimana aku akan mentes bulu mata ini, bulu mata manja. It's still comfortable. Like I just leave it for a couple minutes. Just make sure that it's settled. So if you can see that, it's quite comfortable. Like in my eyes look pop up. So different from the before I wear that, but this will show and tell you if that is a strong eyelashes or not. Okay, you ready? Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay, mati lagi. Sakit mata, Cin. Oh, quite strong. It is strong. Mati-mati ya. So yes, I recommend this one because it's so strong. Hold your eyelashes just right. You just need to find the right number for you. So yes, I recommend this. Thank you for the eyelashes, and you can buy that online, and make sure you get something right on for your eyes. the thing is, with buying online, you cannot see how it looks like, so you have to make sure the size of your eyes is correct, and then you'll get a perfect eyelashes. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video is useful for you, and now you will be wise to choose the magnetic eyelashes. But both eyelashes, I recommend them, and they're very cheap, trust me, and very comfortable, because comfortable is more important than anything. Ciao ciao.